Hi, welcome to my passenger assignment. My name is Aidan Shields, G00370587. In the passenger class, we create the passenger class. Well, initially we create the test class. Apologies. So we create the test class, set up, import all we need. So initially I started off creating a singular passenger from the passenger class for the object we created. I create a void setup so that there was just a null passenger created. Then in each test we check for each constructor's reference towards the constructor variable, and then I started off creating blank tests initially for each different variable we're checking. And once I had those basic classes set up, I went back, created the class, create the variables, create the constructor here, and then in this constructor pass the variables and then do the checks with inside. So for each variable, dependent on its own checks, whether they need to pass and also given the fail options. So we do the checks for each in here, and then I have getter methods set that just return the methods I use for testing. So in the test class, we create an instance of the object, a blank one here, just set up before each check. Then for the title success, we check if Mr. equals to Mr. We use the get title test, but we're asserting that the expected matches the actual in here, which is using the passenger to check the title. That's the same for Mr., Mrs., Miss. With all tests, we move on to name, assert equals again, pass the check, and then my passenger.getName method is called, and it asserts that this method matches the expected, and if it is, it passes. So that is the success passes are all the same. Then we move on to the fails. So we're checking for an illegal argument exception. So we're creating this object. So the illegal argument exception exception. So we assert it throws illegal argument exception from the class, checking my passenger has been with passing the variables again, but we're given a failure option here so that once the method checks that it's going to throw the illegal argument here, and then we assert equals that the message thrown for the matching variable matches the actual we've given it. That's done for title, name, ID, phone, and age. And that is my passenger class along with the code coverage. Thank you.